After trying these rich and fudgy no-bake chocolate protein bars, you won't want to go back to store-bought again. Each bar has about 15 grams of protein per serving, no added sugar, and tastes like a chocolate candy bar that actually helps keep you full. Start with a large bowl. We'll add the dry ingredients first. Add 3/4 a cup of chocolate whey protein powder to the bowl. Add half a cup of almond flour. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1/4 a cup of a natural calorie-free sweetener. I'm using monk fruit here today. Whisk everything together until there are no more clumps. Now we'll add the wet ingredients in the same bowl. Add 1/3 a cup of peanut butter. If your peanut butter's too thick, microwave it for 15 to 20 seconds to make it easier to mix in. Add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt to the bowl. Go ahead and mix everything together. Just a heads up, it's going to be really thick and it will take a couple of minutes to fully mix everything together. Really use those muscles and work that dough until everything gets incorporated. Only add a bit more Greek yogurt if you absolutely have to. Once you're done, your dough should look something like this. Grab an 8" by 8" baking dish and line it with some parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Transfer the mixture into the baking dish. Then spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray. This will make your life much easier. Press down on the dough until you get it into a flat, square shape. For the chocolate coating, you'll want to melt half a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. Once your chocolate is melted, drizzle it over the dough. Cover your dish and then place it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2 hours, they should be firm. Go ahead and cut them into however many bars you'd like. I'm cutting them into 8 bars here today. Then you're ready to enjoy your rich and fudgy no-bake chocolate protein bars. I'd recommend eating them immediately as they will get soft at room temperature. Store any leftovers in the freezer so they can stay firm. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high-protein snack recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.